Bullish Algorand cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 82 cents and $1.56 by 2030. Market investigators accept ALGO could reach 64 cents by 2025. Bearish Algorand market cost expectation for 2023 is 14 cents. Algorand presentation. The Algorand digital money has experienced issues ascending past its ICO value since its origin in 2019, when the blockchain collaborated with Coinbanks to foster El Salvador's digital money framework. The cost of ALGO flooded in September 2021. In spite of the fact that it has thusly lost most of these additions, experts and sites that figure costs are hopeful that it will one day again arrive at comparable levels. What follows for the altcoin, then? How about we analyze the Algorand blockchain's activity in additional profundity and look at its cost improvement? What is Algorand? The Algorand blockchain, which intends to answer the conundrum of safety, speed, and decentralization, involves ALGO as its local cash. Algorand achieves this objective by making and approving its blocks by means of an agreement procedure called unadulterated confirmation of stake. How much ALGO a client wagers influences how haphazardly the block chief and approval board are picked. Algorand was laid out in 2017 by teacher Silvio Macaulay of the Massachusetts Organization of Innovation in the U.S., and its blockchain and neighborhood money appeared in June 2019. The ALGO coin cost in a split second fell a day after presentation. Algorand major examination in June 2019. ALGO sent off its underlying coin offering with a $2.40 sticker price. Value tumbled to $2.16 on June 22, the principal day of exchange. This was just the beginning as the value continued to decline throughout the resulting months, hitting a low of 19 cents on September 27, 2019. This crash happened for various causes. The first was the 10 billion symbolic inventory that would be conveyed progressively. Algorand said that 3 billion ALGO will be sold at public closeout throughout the span of the initial 5 years following the organization's foundation. Notwithstanding the elevated degree of public premium, the market couldn't deal with the enormous measure of ALGO and financial backers' $24 billion valuation. One more possible figure: the breakdown of the value of ALGO's cash was private financial backers. Financial backers bought ALGO by means of private arrangement adjusts, which fixed the coin's cost somewhere in the range of 5 cents and 50 cents. At the point when the token was delivered, it had a worth of $2.16, permitting individual financial backers to make huge increases. Previous Algorand establishment tasks boss Chen Fengfeng addressed a letter to the monetary local area. The letter guaranteed that early supporters had presented the drive to over-the-top dangers by undercutting and unloading coins, as indicated by worldwide coin exploration. Algorand's specialized investigation in the wake of being added to Coinbase. The cost of ALGO's money expanded. It was one of the swiftest on the stage, as indicated by Algorand. At the point when the news was delivered, the cost had ascended about 30 cents. Throughout the accompanying year and a half of exchange, ALGO attempted to get past the 50 cents edge, not to mention outperform its underlying cost, in spite of a couple of increments. The money began seeing a bullish pattern toward the start of 2021. All through the year the token supported this development, at last hitting a long-term high of $1.71. Like the previous cost fall of ALGO, various variables could have caused this increment. Stablecoin interest was the first. Stablecoins consolidate the unfaltering quality of government-issued money with the decentralized attributes of digital currencies. Algorand has arisen as a serious option for stablecoin guarantors since Ethereum has costly gas costs. Through a cooperation with the transient currency market exchanging stage Instamatch Worldwide, Algorand was likewise standing out. Algorand dealt with a huge number of dollars of exchanges at regular intervals. El Salvador, in August 2021, announced that Algorand will act as the establishment for its cryptographic money foundation. At that point, the coin was going for around $1.12. In the days that followed, the expense soared to a record-breaking post-send-off high of $2.38. The money finished at $1.63 in spite of Algorand having quite recently delivered an overhaul that improved savvy shrinks by empowering them to be written in well-known programming dialects like Python and Reach. Algorand is right now worth 18 cents USD. ALGO has moved 1.62% as of now with an exchanging volume of $51,929,387. Algorand is right now positioned 41 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,326,563,769 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Algorand to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Algorand market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Algorand Value Expectation 2023. Algorand, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The ALGO cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 27 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging 25 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. ALGO is supposed to have a base worth of 22 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2024. Out of 2024, Algorand ALGO cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of a LGO will before long outperform 45 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the ALGO's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ALGO will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 36 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 40 cents. Algorand Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 64 cents and ALGO might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ALGO is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 58 cents and a low of 55 cents in 2025. Algorand Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that Algorand effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money aficionados, the ALGO coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ALGO will be green in 2026. The ALGO is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 82 cents, with a base cost of 73 cents and a typical cost of 77 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the ALGO cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 95 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 91 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ALGO has a greatest value worth of $1.01. Algorand Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.14. In the event that LGO figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $1.19. Neglecting to accumulate the help ALGO needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $1.10. Algorand Value Expectation 2029. While ALGO is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $1.29 and a yearly cost